Don't you fucking dare, David. Oh. What'd you do to it? Don't take a POV of my mess. Don't take a POV of my messy room. It's broken. The light bulb went out. You POV of my mess. What are you doing? You can't lift my boxes. They even take Mom's boxes away. All those photograph boxes. Don't put those there. What are you doing? You're making it seem worse than it was, David. What are you doing? David, no. David! Stop! David! For fuck's sake! Leave! Why are you taking a POV of me? The stuff wouldn't be all stacked up if it weren't for Mom's fucking boxes. Why are you still taking a POV of me? Why do you get to take POVs of me, and I don't get to take POVs of you? And you actually, like, fuck up my shit. Stop it.